Tired of typing your passcode every time you open Trust Wallet? In this quick guide, I'll show you how to turn off the passcode lock in just a few steps. Start by opening the Trust Wallet app on your mobile device. You'll be prompted to enter your current passcode. Go ahead and type it in. Now that you're inside the app, tap the Settings icon. From the Settings menu, select Security. For security reasons, you'll need to enter your passcode once again to access the security settings. On this page, you'll see an option labeled App Lock or Passcode. You'll notice the toggle switch is turned on. To disable it, simply tap the switch. Once you do, a confirmation prompt will appear asking you to enter your passcode one final time. After entering it, the passcode lock will be turned off and you'll no longer need to enter it every time you open the app. You've successfully removed the passcode lock from Trust Wallet, making access a little quicker. Just make sure your device stays secure. If this tutorial helped you out, feel free to give it a like, hit that subscribe button, and leave a comment if you have any questions.